Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then just hit the subscribe button. That way you can watch some more of my future videos. Without further ado, let's get to this unboxing. Today we're unboxing the Micheal Kors. I think it's a Olympia Trainer Extreme shoe. This was purchased by my wife. I'm just doing the review for her on this to let you know, see what you think about it, and see if you like them. Alrighty. Alright. Man, that is one massive sole right there. You can almost see through it. It's got like a bubble type sole. The shoe is wrapped in a denim jacquard type leather, and it's got some cool little chrome accents on the very bottom of it. If you can see that. It actually says Micheal Kors right in the center of it. That athletic type shoe, the large sole. They actually call it a trainer, so I assume that, you know, it's for all kinds of various sports that you can use it for. It also has like a round toe that you can see here. And it's got laces on the front, if you can see that. And as far as I can see, it has leather lining inside. It said that it has all cotton on the front of it. It's got a little bit of cushion on the inside, but it's a little firm also, so I believe that, you know, playing sports and everything else, it'll give you a firmness on the ground versus kind of a mushy kind of feeling, especially if you're doing any kind of weight training or anything of that nature. And it's got a nice grip on the bottom of the soles, help keep from slipping. That's a nice feature. It also has the Micheal Kors on the side of the shoe. Overall, it's a really nice shoe. I mean, I don't really wear it as it's a woman's shoe, but you know, it is very nice. My wife tried these on. Normally she wears an 8.5. She got these in an 8. They do fit. They're just a little tight. So actually, if you went to your normal size, normally wear in an athletic shoe, it should be just perfect. Thank you for watching my channel. I'll leave all the links below. That way you can actually review it yourself, check it out, and see if you want to purchase these shoes.